never had hot rollers done before. Hi guys! I am so excited to take you with me today. I am all the way ready in my van in the garage because there's no kids here. I have a babysitter and we are gonna go do a really awesome photo shoot with BYU TV. So they have this really cool show called Relative Race. I don't know if any of you guys have seen it. It's so cute. Contestants basically race to find a relative they didn't know. So it's super fun, family friendly. And I gave them a picture of my cute grandma. I will show you guys her later. But I gave them a picture of my cute grandma and they are gonna turn me into her today. So we're gonna be looking like somebody from the 1940s by the end of this. Anyway, I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe and let's go. Motion Picture Studio. There we are. Wow, I did not know this was back here.
This is the makeup space, so you'll be getting your hair and makeup later on.
Okay.
It'll be a surprise. We've blocked up all the makeup.
I know, I noticed that. I was like, what looks different about this room?
Okay. So we'll do our video interview first, then you'll go into hair and makeup, into wardrobe, and then back for your second interview where you'll be in your aunt's
Okay,
clothes.
cool.
And then you'll go into your still photography section.
Okay, so these are all the people that have... Hey, there we are, guys.
Different.
So this is everybody's.
Yeah, these are some of the
Can I look
outfits.
at mine?
Because
She wants it to be a surprise. I want to look at it. Okay, but from afar, guys, look how cute. What?
So this is a big sound stage where you can build any sets for this photo shoot.
Oh my gosh, how cool. We get custom sets.
That'd be awesome.
Huh? Let's get this party started. I'm going to record an interview session about my grandma, and I talked to my mom super late last night about her whole life. So I'm just hoping that I do her justice, and I'm actually pretty nervous because these are all kind of new facts to me, and I want to make sure that I just get it right. Anyway, I'm a little bit terrified. Oh, wish me luck. Hi guys. Oh, you haven't printed out? Oh, she's so cute.
We haven't been.
Look at her. Henrietta. I'm kind of glad they don't name people Henrietta anymore. Hi, I am Abby Smith. So this is my grandma, Henrietta. She was born in 1917 in Farmington, Utah, actually. And she was just the cutest, most adored woman on the planet. She had a love for fashion, and her mom was a master seamstress, and they grew up in the Depression, so they didn't have much. But despite all that, her mom could make them the most wonderful clothes, and they would find little snippets of mink and fur and the cutest little accessories to put on their hats, and they always just looked so fabulous. And that was something that I loved learning about her because I love fashion so much, and I think it's so important to just put your best foot forward. And she also, learned the importance of saving and loving what you have and just being grateful for life in general. And she lived loud and was fun and happy, and that's Henrietta. Okay, so you're doing makeup or hair right now?
Actually, I'm gonna start on your hair.
You are gonna start on
Hot
hair?
rollers. Yeah, we gotta do the hot rollers.
Oh, hot rollers? I've never had hot rollers done before. You're gonna have to teach me a few tricks.
Yeah. This is awesome. I mean, people don't use these anymore, but they're really great.
Okay guys, they're telling me that I have to put my selfie thing away so I can see myself, so hopefully I'll be in the frame.
So you can't see yourself.
I can't see myself. That's right. It's supposed to be a big surprise, a big reveal. Okay, she's showing me this amazing wig styling book.
It's great. It has all the old school styling, but honestly,
A little bit terrifying.
it's the base foundation for all hairstyling.
yeah, like finger waves I
is
cannot
first.
do. I have practiced finger waves
I could teach you to do finger waves
over and over,
I
and they
love
just
finger
like
waves.
do not work on me. I think I'm doing them wrong.
They're great. These are the type of styles we'll be doing on you today because you're 30s and 40s. A lot of the vintage old decade era hairstyles are all set with rollers first. So we start with a base to get texture in the hair. We're not necessarily looking for the curl. We just want the hair to have more texture, more body, so that we can sculpt it and shape it the way that we want it to. Got your beautiful curls. So now we are placing curls in a haphazard, very clean, very placed curl pattern back here, because this is going to provide the base for our hat. We are going to put in a little victory roll here.
It's looking so fun!
Choices for you today to try on. So this
Oh
is
my gosh, look at this blue one. Okay.
I'm excited. We're gonna start with the white one.
Okay.
It's the designer's first pick, and then the other two.
Okay.
And we have some fun hats to try on.
Outfit choice number 2 comes with this cute little hat. But we're gonna go with this white one, which is pretty snug. But she likes it the best. And it comes with the red hat, which is so cute. Alright, they're putting on the hat. And giving me my lip.
Alright. So
All I wanted in this life was a red lip.
So just go ahead and sit, react, and then we'll pause before we go there. Yeah, so you'll go and sit.
And sit, and then
Yes.
they take off it. Okay. Okay.
You've got this. Yeah.
Grandma valued education and hard work, and she grew up during the Depression and honestly had nothing, and she always saw the glass half full. And I love that so much about her, that no matter what we're going through in life, that despite our trials or our happiness and joy, like whatever it is, that there's always something good to take away from that. I think as far as the legacy goes, we're living proof of what she's kind of done for us.